guys, so you already know the video. We about to show off, just showing off my teeth and just show you guys how it looks like inside and out. It's a 2020, so yeah, just have fun. Yeah, I'll show it off. So this is the inside. We have the red interior for this car. It's pretty nice inside. The back seat. Let's see what we got in the back. It's the trunk. I just got a little something in the back. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to, show off my truck and just give you guys a little tour. I've been having this truck for like a year now. It's a pretty good truck, I really love it. When you're driving on the road, the Jeep community is so strong. People wave at you. yeah, it just, the vibe is just different. So I hope you guys like this video, and make sure you like and subscribe. Until the next video.
That money clip us now, the new now looks like. Whoa, upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like. Whoa, 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 whoa. I hit record it, drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte.